おはこんばんちは。むんちゃんです。
ペッピーです。
In this lesson, we are gonna learn Japanese grammar Noun1 の Noun2.
Here we go!
机の上を片付けます。これは僕のノートです。
これは僕のバナナです。
それはペッピーのおやつだね。これは…
あ、僕の靴下。僕の靴下が机の上にありました。
Then let's learn the grammar. Okay. Noun1 の Noun2 of, someone's, etc. An example sentence. これは僕のノートです。Fundamentals of no. The particle no basically turns noun into a possessive form. It's similar to the in someone's or of in English.
ペッピーのお店。
You need the particle no to make a word possessive. In the phrase noun1 の noun2, noun1 modifies noun2 and adds various meanings to it. Then let's check the meanings of no between nouns. Number 1. No for indicating the possessive or belonging. 友達の本。The noun 友達 modifies the noun 本 and describes that the book belongs to the friend. Number 2. No for expressing relative location of noun. 椅子の上。Noun 2 becomes a word related to a location and indicates the positional relationship with noun 1. Number 3. No for indicating the material of something. トマトのスープ。Noun 1 is the material of noun 2. Then number 4. No for showing a creator of a product. ゴッホのひまわり。Noun 1 is the creator's name of noun 2. Number 5. No for indicating the relationship between nouns.
あれはクリオネさんの妹です。
Number 6. No for explaining that noun 2 is in the category of noun 1. 日本語のアニメ。Lastly, number 7. No for showing the attribute of noun 2. こちらは社長のクリオネさんです。Particle no adds information about noun 2. Then here are some example sentences. 僕はお店の中にいます。これは誰のカバンですか？机の上にピンクの花がある。
新しい言葉。わかるかな？
机。上。靴下。
見てくれてありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe.
またね!
If you'd like to learn more Japanese grammar, check the left one. And if you'd like to learn Japanese kanji, check the right one. Bye!